Westy from Slow Burner Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you one of my favourite recipes. It's the souvlaki. Souvlaki. Is it half souvlaki, half taco? It's just souvlaki. First step, make a simple salad. It's real easy. Basically just cherry tomato, jalapeno, red onion, endive, olive oil and some sea salt flakes. Souvlaki sauce, Greek inspired by the Greek yogurt. We've got some pickled jalapenos to go in there and some chipotle powder just to punch those flavours up. Souvlaki, beautiful fresh ingredients. Let's just dig in. That's good. There you go. Thanks for watching.